How to use Etsy points and rewards. Well, if you're a part of Etsy Insider program, seasonal or annual membership, you earn rewards on eligible purchases. Now, that is, you earn 5% back in Etsy credit on every purchase excluding tax and shipping. Rewards are added to your account once they are earned and posted. You can accumulate up to $2,000 in rewards. If you return an item, the rewards earned on that item will be deducted from your balance. Now, how to use or redeem it? Well, when you redeem Etsy Insider Rewards, the entire amount is applied to your next purchase as a discount. You cannot choose to use only a portion of your rewards. The system applies the full balance. If your order total is less than your reward amount, the remaining rewards stay in your balance for future use. Rewards are applied during the checkout process for eligible orders. And also, it does not have expiration and terms as long as you have an active Etsy Insider membership. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.